Hey guys, so my Sephora order just came into the mail yesterday and I am so excited. I got a few makeup products. I don't have a ton, but we're gonna be testing it out on my skin. And then I also went ahead and opened up a couple PR packages because I was very impatient. And there's a new Too Faced package in here and I'm like, where did this come from? I had no idea about this palette. And then I also have some Colourpop and I'm just really excited to try out some new makeup. So we're gonna be testing it out on my face, see how it works. Also, I have my Dyson Airwrap that I ordered from the sale because it saved me $100 and something on it. And a ton of you guys went into my DMs and my comments saying that I need to try out the Dyson Airwrap instead of the blow dryer. So I watched so many videos and I decided to bite the bullet and buy it. Oh my God, it's so expensive. So if I do not like it, it is going right back. But I'm gonna show you guys it on Instagram when I get it in the mail. I think it comes in today. But I also tried out another hair tool that I picked up from Ulta. It was a $30 hair crimper. Let me show you. It's this guy right here. This is the Bedhead TGI Away We Go. It literally turned my hair into a big frizz ball. This is what my hair looks like if I don't use any good shampoos or conditioner or a deep conditioner or any styling products and I just let it air dry. This is how frizzy my hair will get. So why would I want this from a hair styling tool? I don't know, but I just do not like it. So I want to return that thing because that thing sucks. And it was just I feel like it really dried out my hair too. So I even threw in my IGK Crybaby. This oil is so good. Not sponsored, you guys, but this oil is so good. They sent this to me a while ago. It's an anti-frizz smoothing serum and boy, does it smooth. You should have seen my hair, what it looked like beforehand. It still looks a little frizzy, but this saved it. I'm not even kidding. And I even used this in a video when I hauled it, I think it was a couple months ago. And you could see the difference in my hair dramatically after I used it. Even a ton of you commented down in the comment section about it. But this, I highly recommend. You guys need this. It's amazing. But without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the things that I actually got in the haul. So the first thing that I definitely need to do to my hair tonight after frying it with that hair tool is I need to do a deep hydration mask. This is Moroccan oil. I rave about this. This is the Intense Hydrating Mask. I love this stuff. This is probably my fourth little jar of it and I think I even repurchased it last time at the sale. So every sale I've been getting a new one because I love them so much. I love doing the restorative first and then I do this afterwards. I actually even tried doing their little oil in there and that actually worked really well with the restorative hair mask, but this hair mask is still my favorite. So I had to get another one of those because I just ran out. Next up, I got the Best Blend Ever Blend and Cleanse Starter Set. So you get the Beauty Blender and then you get the solid. But the thing is, I did not know from the pictures that the solid was just a solid bar. Where's the case that it comes in? I don't like that. I had no idea, but I love my beauty blenders. I'm not gonna bother opening this one up because my black one right here is still fine to use. So I'm gonna save this for when I need to replace it. So I have that. And then I have two foundations here. I have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the hydrating one that I love. So I got a new shade. I also got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, which I'm thinking I might try out today because I know this one is already great. I just gotta check out the shades to see if they'll work. And then I also repurchased my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, which I love. So we're gonna be getting into it. I'm gonna be showing you guys some new products that we're gonna be using on the face. Let's check out these foundations real fast to see how this is. Ooh, this looks light. I had a feeling this one looked light on there too. It's 220N, but for some reason, their little shade finder was matching me to the shade from Barcelona. And you are so far from Barcelona, from NARS. Huh, all right, there's that. And then we have 260 here, which I didn't even listen to their shade finder. I grabbed this one on my own. I matched this one. And I think, yeah, this one is gonna be perfect for my self-tan right here. See, I'm getting good with that. But this, I just don't know. Let me test this guy out. This one's light, I feel like. I don't know. Let me check. Wonder if it oxidizes. Yeah, it's a little light. This shade right here would actually be my shade once I showered again. Look, I'm just gonna be putting it on the rest of my neck. I never self-tan my neck. If I self-tan my neck, it would just make my foundation look even darker and then it won't match my face. So I'd rather have my neck and my face match the best. You know, it could work. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and do this one. If I have to bronze it up, I will. But I think I might be like, when I'm a fresh self tan, I'm probably a shade darker than this. So we're just gonna go ahead and make do with this one. So for primer, we're gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Primer. I love this one. I've been using it nonstop. I just do a couple pumps, press it into the skin, and my face gets super red. I'm just gonna go through and just press that into the skin with my sponge. And now going into the Luminous Foundation, I'm gonna press this on. It's actually really pretty. I would say already it's like a more luminous and lighter coverage than the Fenty, because I've been wearing the Fenty one nonstop. I've actually been mixing the Fenty in with the CoverGirl. Yeah, this shade is so different than Barcelona. I don't know how their shade finder matched this to Barcelona. I feel like Barcelona is almost even too dark for me when I'm self-tan, but it works out once I do my concealer. But Barcelona also feels like it has a little bit more of a golden, warm tone to it. This one feels more neutral. So I like the tone of this one. Okay, so here's the foundation on my skin. It actually has a really pretty finish. I love the fact that it is luminous, but it doesn't look too luminous, which is a big thumbs up in my book. I feel like the Fenty Beauty one gives kind of like the same type of finish to it, which is beautiful. This one is gluten-free, alcohol-free, clinically tested, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist, oh my God, ophthalmologist. I can't say it, but you guys know what I'm saying. Tested, non-comedogenic, suitable for sensitive skin, long wearing, no flashback. Really like that. I really love the fact that it's good for sensitive skin. I think the foundation is beautiful. The color is a little, I think it can work, but the color is a little bit yellow compared to my self-tan. My self-tan is a little bit more golden bronzy, but I really like the finish of it so far. It will be interesting to see how the rest of my makeup goes on it and how it sits on my skin throughout the day. I'm definitely gonna keep testing it after this, and I will keep you guys updated like in a favorites video or like a dopes and nopes type of thing. But so far, initial first impression of looking at it on my skin, I think it's beautiful. Okay, so since I have no new concealer to test out, I'm gonna go ahead and just use my Flower Beauty one. I'm gonna do this really quickly, so I'll be right back. I love this concealer. I just wish they had a better shade range, but I tend to mix light and fair to get like my own shade to go with whatever shade I am at the moment. So that's what I do. I'll be right back. All right, so I put on my concealer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just set my skin with my powder. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Powder. It is so good. If you guys have dry skin or mature skin, I really, really like it. So I'm actually gonna set it, just lightly dusting. Like I'm gonna take a beauty sponge and I'm actually gonna press it underneath my eyes, so that way I don't get those little fine lines or anything, but it works so, so good. So I love that. I've repurchased this. This is like my third one already. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my lips for when I do like a liquid lipstick or something at the end. And Colourpop came out with this Bellini BB Lippy Bundle. So it's a lippy balm and a lippy scrub from their Peach collection. So this is the scrub. Here is the scrub right here. Looks like so. Oh my gosh. Doesn't really have a smell. I was expecting a smell. It tastes good, I can tell you that. It tastes fruity, but I don't have a smell to it, which is fine with me, but it tastes really good. So there's that. All right, so now that we're all scrubbed, I'm gonna go in with the Lippy Balm right here. I love balms like this. These are just perfect for just like really quick in your purse. Yes. That one also tastes really good. It tastes like a Starburst. This Lippy bundle costs $12, just so you guys know. There's that, but I'll have everything linked down below so you can easily find the prices. But I also went on Instagram and I asked you guys what palette you want to see me use, because I have the new Too Faced Palm Springs one right here that I actually just opened up. I'm gonna show it in my PR haul, but here are the colors for this one. Really, really pretty colors. But then I opened up the Colourpop Peach palette. This is the Baby Got Peach. And just these tones are calling my name right now. So I'm letting you guys choose. So I went on Instagram and I asked you guys and I did a little poll. So we'll see where it's at right now. Let's check it real quick. Okay, so far the Colourpop Peach palette is winning, but it's only winning by 3 votes. Since I uploaded it, it's been like tied, and now Colourpop is finally going. So we're gonna give it a little bit longer, but I also wanna show you guys some other products that are from the Too Faced collection that they came out with. So this is the Hangover RX 3-in-1. They came out with a one that is infused with peach extract right here. So it's just a priming and setting spray and also to refresh the skin. So we have that. And then they also have their Better Than Sex mascara in here, but they gave it new packaging. It has little peach emojis all over it, which is super, super cute. Love that. That is everything in the Too Faced collection. I will show you guys more of the Colourpop once we get to the lips and once we get to the cheeks, because they came out with 3 blushes, which are gorgeous. Telling you, you guys, they're so pretty. Alrighty, so I've been waiting for like 15 minutes and they're only 10 away from each other, but Colourpop is winning. So it looks like we're just gonna go ahead and do the Colourpop, and let me know down below if you wanna see an Instagram video or if you wanna see a YouTube video on this one. I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. So we're gonna go into this palette, which I'm totally okay with because it's really, really pretty. All right, so I'm swatching this palette and I'm telling you, these are gorgeous. I'm gonna take Darlin', and I'm gonna pop this one into my crease. All around like so. I'm gonna go ahead and take Perky right here, and I'm actually going to place this one all on the lid. Just going to pack it on. It's a lot more vibrant than I thought it was gonna be. Go, and then I'm going to blend it out. Okay, so next up I'm gonna take this shimmer shade right here. It's called Ready or Yacht. It's really pretty. I'm gonna take it with this brush from Sigma. This is it's a dual under brush, but it's their E54. And I'm gonna pop this on the center. I might just do it all over the lid actually. The halo eyes just don't work for my eye shape. I don't know, I can't ever get it looking very flattering. I like having this brush because the backside is their E38. So it's really nice to diffuse the crease with. I don't have to go digging for another brush, you know, I just flip it around. That's really, really pretty right there. I actually really like that. I'm gonna pop a little bit more of Darlin' into the crease just to bring that shade back in. I'm actually gonna leave it like that. I kind of like how soft it is rather than going in. Like I also, for like another step, is I would go in with Half Baked right here. You see how that's like a deeper tone? I would go in with that one into the crease, but I feel like it's really pretty how it is right now. Just gonna clean up the edges just a tiny bit. This is what I do a little bit. I just take my sponge and I just clean up the edges. I'm gonna take some color down underneath my lid. So I'm actually gonna take Perky, the one that we did all over the lid that's a solid color. I'm gonna pop this down here. I think I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Half Baked down here just to deepen up that lash line. And now we're gonna blend that out. So we kind of smoked it out. And then I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm gonna pop this on my bottom lashes because my top lashes actually have lash extensions, so I don't need it. This palette is gorgeous. Love the shadows, only $12, which is great. I love how affordable Colourpop is, and you guys know that you can actually get them in Ulta now, which is great. But let's go ahead and get into the blushes. So there's 3 blushes. They retail for $8 each. The first one that we have here is called Frisky Business. This one's really pretty. It's a light pink, peachy pink shade. Let's see if I can get this one to swatch. This one's on the lighter side. So there it is right there. And then the next shade is actually the shade I think I'm gonna use. This is called Fresh and Peachy, which is more of a medium toned coral peachy shade right there. Yeah, I think that one's gonna be really pretty. And then I actually already swatched this one right here. This is their last one called Perk Up, that I would honestly use it as a bronzer if I wasn't self-tanned. It's really pretty. This is Perk Up right here. You can see that. That's gorgeous. So again, love their formulas. They're amazing. I'm gonna go in with Fresh and Peachy. I'm gonna pop this onto the cheeks. I actually totally forgot to put on bronzer. I'll put it on after this. It's a pretty color. For bronzer, I'm just gonna go into my trusty Marc Jacobs bronzer really quickly. All right, so since there's no highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use my highlighter with Over Cosmetics. This is Moon Dance, and I'm just going to pop this one on the high points. It is so pretty. These are launching on September 1st. I'm so excited. They are stunning. I love this shade. All right, for the lip product that I'm gonna go in with is Peach Please Just a Tint Lip Crayon Bundle. And this is from Colourpop from the Peach collection right here. They have the shades Give Me Some More and Rise and Shine. Doesn't tell you which one is which though, just as a, oh wait, it does. It does at the top. I was like, where is this at? This is Rise and Shine right here. That one's really pretty. I might use this one. And then we have Give Me Some More. Ooh, I like Give Me Some More too. I think I'm gonna do Give Me Some More just to kind of tone down because the eyes are a little bit pigmented. So we're gonna go with this on top. These smell so good. These really are just a tint. They smell really good, but like this is like a color I would love just to like throw on and have it in the purse. I'm actually gonna go on top with this one just to add a little bit more color to it because it's swatched more pigmented on my hand. This is actually really pretty too. Okay, so here is the complete makeup look. I think it turned out gorgeous, but before we go into it, I wanna show you guys 2 more products that came out in the collection for Colourpop. The first one that we have here is the Nothing On BFF Duo. This comes with their mascara and their eyeliner. I believe it's in a brown shade. Retails for $15, and that's what it looks like right here. I'm actually gonna save these and give these away for a giveaway just because I don't think I'm gonna have time to use them because I've got so many other products to test out. So these are gonna go in for a giveaway, especially because I think I already have a lot of those in my collection already. I know that they sent me the whole shade range for the mascaras. Next up, we have the Super Shock Shadow Trio, You Want a Peach of Me. This one also retails for $15. Comes with 3 Super Shock shadows, which are gorgeous. I'm also gonna throw these ones into a giveaway as well because, again, if I know I'm not gonna have time to get around to using them, or if I don't think I'm gonna have time to get around to using them, I'd rather just give them away to you guys rather than letting them sit and be wasted. So I'm gonna share those with you guys. So yeah, make sure to check out my makeup giveaway, my huge one. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a big one on my channel like every month just to really like get those piles going down on top of the mystery box giveaways, but just make sure to check those out. Okay, so here is the completed makeup look, and I think it turned out really, really pretty, but looking up close, the foundation. The foundation is definitely settling into my fine lines up here. It's settling into my smile lines, which honestly, like my CoverGirl one doesn't set into my smile lines like this, especially not this quickly or at all. The Fenty Beauty one, if I wear that one by itself, it can settle a little bit in them because it's, again, they're more luminous, dewy foundations. But that doesn't happen till like the end of the day, and it's really not even that bad. But I'm already noticing it right now with this foundation, and I am not liking it. I think the finish of it is really pretty, but I'm just not a fan of the way that it's sitting on my skin. And again, I just want to kind of remind you guys that it might just be my skin. All our skins are different. So foundation might set differently on different skin types. So with me, it's just not setting to my liking. So the foundation, I'm kind of like, eh. I honestly don't see myself using this very often again, just because I don't like that. And I rather prefer my CoverGirl one, which doesn't do that to me. Yeah. So, but I think the eyeshadow is really, really pretty. I like these little lip tints right here from Colourpop. These are definitely products that I enjoy because they're just so practical and easy and just really moisturizing on the lips. Love the blushes. Blushes are gorgeous. The palettes are gorgeous. The lip products, like this little lip balm right here, is also awesome. And the same thing with the lip scrub. It tastes really good. So I will have everything linked down below for you guys in the description box if you want to take a closer look at anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of Sephora haul and new makeup try on. I kind of threw it all in one because I really wanted to try out more products than what I purchased from the Sephora haul. And then also make sure to head over to my Instagram and stay tuned for the Dyson Airwrap tutorial, what I'm gonna do. Hopefully it goes better than what this one did for me. Feel like a frisball right now, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what products you want to see tested out next. I have not done makeup tutorials in a hot minute, so I'm like ready to bring them back. But yeah, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video.